First thing I will say,
Ooh,
the size of that.
smell good.
Smell outrageous, Jess. Even having the balls to be adventurous. Hello everyone, welcome back to Food Review Club. We're still here in Northampton, and I think pretty much everyone that knows anything about food in the Northampton area is chatting about, talking about, and hyping this place. Yuma'S kitchen. I'm pointing it behind me like you've got something to look at. And to be brutally honest, you don't. Chatting with them inside now, I wasn't really expecting this, I'll be brutally honest with you. That there is the back kitchen of an old restaurant here, Jess.
Okay.
An Indian, I think. They've started from their house, they've grown, developed over the last year and a half, and then took ownership of this kitchen. Making big moves. A couple of brothers, I think, doing their own thing. Love it. Just had the first time I met him now, just went inside, made my order, had a chat with him. Love what they're doing. There's big noise about them too. First thing I'll say, looking at the menu, looks really simple. Simple in a basic sense of the word. Not too much fuss. I think there was 3 burger variants, couple of chips, couple of wing options, and some wicked desserts, and we'll come to that in a minute. So I've gone for, let's get all my food out to start with. That's my mini loaded fries, I think. I've got some desserts here as well. Brooklyn brownie. I've had them on the page before. We have met that geezer, didn't we? We actually met him at another review in Northampton. This is my 2-on-2 burger. I've got like a bag full of food here. Nutella. All right. Biscoff, Nutella. White chocolate. So these are like, apparently his mum made this today. Oh my God. Okay. I've got all the flavours as well. I couldn't decide what to have, so I've got them all. Right, cool. This is my fries. So this is my lemon pepper. Yeah, okay.
Oh,
cool.
lemon and pepper wings.
Yeah, look, here we go. Right, cool. Look, little bit of food admin, fadmin, and now we're on point. Right, let's kick things off with the burger. Oh, don't want that scratching my bonnet up. Okay, this is the 2-on-2. Big seller. I was going to go for a regular cheeseburger. You see, he actually pulled me. I said, no, try this. Should be a 4-patty smashed burger. Okay, look. Oh my God, look at that. Again, flat buns. These squidgy soft buns, not fit for the job. Fluns. All right, cool. So I've got American cheese. Let's pull it open. It's really, look at these little smashed patties. Nice lettuce. So some burger sauce in there. Hopefully some pickles. Here we go. Oh yeah. Unbelievable. Now don't think just because they're a start-up little family business I'm not going to pull them up on the fact they're using shit buns. The buns, again, look, flat, like paper, don't like them. Give me something with a bit of purchase, bit of hold that's fit for the job. However, the meat, holy smokes, that's flavoursome. I've got juicy, rich beef in there. Look at that. With that crust. Each one of these patties, 4 of them, has got its own unique layer of crust. That is truly mouth-watering stuff. We got a bit of window communication going on there. That is, oh man, there's a tang coming through as well. I'm getting another sauce coming through the bottom of that. Woof. Amazing. I can see why people around Northampton are kicking off about these guys. They get themselves a proper baker or an artisan bakery locally that can whip them up the buns they need to take this on, big noise. Big noise. Wow. Okay, cool. It's got all my loaded fries. Oh, look at these. Okay. Oh,
Oh.
Butterfingers. Here we go. Come check this out, look. So I've got the oh man. Mini loaded fries.
Is that burger meat on there?
Think so.
Mince, sorry.
I was going to get the big loaded fries, but he said you won't need them because these are ample.
That's
So
good that they do mini ones because you get all the flavour, but you don't have to.
it's outrageous. Got it like this. We call it like burger sauce, but it's got this like really creaminess to it, and we've got this meat on top. Wow. These are the sort of fries you can't put down. Wow. This is like ultimate snack food. Munchy special. It's got a really nice warmth to it. Great flavour. I'm gonna be really honest, on a fairly
Is it like a cheeseburger?
yeah, on a fairly basic chip, to be fair.
So what is it like? Cheese sauce, meat.
Like a tangy cheese sauce, like a burger sauce combo, with your like broken down beef on there too. You can have a bite as well. Yeah, here we go. Just have some. What do you think? Like really munchy,
Like a cheeseburger.
delicious. Always get sauce on myself. So far, so good. Those of you that are new to the page, you might have seen the last video. Went to 7 Bone. Really liked it, to be fair. Sorry, let me rephrase that. I really liked the burger. I thought the burger was a bit of a showstopper. Rest of it, felt like I was missing a trick. I'm gonna be honest. Especially the wings. The wings at 7 Bone, there may be some good ones on the menu, I know, but the ones I had, the Kim Jong wings or whatever they're called, they weren't up to much. I'm gonna go so far as they were pony. They were guff. Now, wings here, these are the lemon pepper, I think.
Yeah.
First thing I will say,
Ooh.
the size of that.
Smell good.
Smell outrageous, Jess. Look at that. Lemon pepper. Never had that before. Already picking your ears up. They obviously know what they're doing. Even having their balls to be adventurous with their flavours. Here we go, yeah? What do you think to the cooking, guys? So I've got some nice lemon sauce underneath the bottom there.
That's going to be banging.
Yeah, me too. Here we go. That is... that sweet but sharp lemon flavour to it. But you get pulled straight back down to the ground. This like warmth with the pepper. That being said, it also gives it this really nice outer coating, kind of like a crust. Holy shit. And it's cooked to absolute perfection. The inner part of the wing is juicy, moist, got textures going on. This is like one of those really simple products, uncomplicated products, simple, nice to eat, delicious. Would I come back for these? I might even come back for one on camera right now. God, that's it, Jess. Let's try one of the flats. Get the skin. Yeah. Outrageous. Wow. Holy smokes. Food Review Club. This is pretty much the definition of the page. Uncovering and finding those hidden gems in our shores. If you saw that sign there, you wouldn't even know to walk through that door there to make your order, would you?
No.
I'm gonna be brutally honest. Loads of people are talking about it as well, but if you go on their Instagram, no disrespect, lads, it doesn't look very, not it's been run by a professional agency or anything. It does look, hasn't exactly got loads of content on there of different things they're working on, flavors, sauces, combos, food. It's only what everyone's talking about, and that's kind of even better. It's like underground hype. Right, last things last. What?
Last things last.
Done my wings, done my chips, done my burger. Kind of look at these. These are like little dough. These are like little pudding dough ball packs. They've been made specially today, homemade. I think by his mum, which is wicked. So I've got Biscoff. Let's try them. Nutella, I like them. White chocolate, I said I have them all. Price on this, by the way, classic Matt. My burger was £7.50, but a regular cheeseburger's £4.50. Really, really well priced. Wings, I can't remember. Chips, I can't remember. This, can't remember. I am going to put the prices in the description above. I promise. I'll go online and have a look. I just paid. Can't even remember. We're deep in conversation. So this one here is Biscoff. What the hell's going on?
They're donuts.
Like little... I don't even know.
Like... shoe?
Just eating it. Look at that. Now, obviously, there's a name for these. Shall I go find out? I can't remember. But that has got the most amazing outer coating with the most fluffy, light dough. Melts on the mouth. It's not heavy. It's not aggressive. Well, that's some sexual shit right there. Oh, these ones. The Nutella ones, look. Oh my days. Oh, look at, do you see the knife? Puncture that. I thought puncture that like a, I don't know. Like little balloons of dough. That is legit. Wow. If you ever got the munchies, needed some comfort food, wanted to order out, not from your typical Booker's style takeaway, up the road, wanted something a little bit more special, this is the one. Those wings were amazing. They're the sort of wings I want to go and, now, literally go and order some more now. I want to see what the other flavours are. Dessert incredible, loaded, mini loaded fries, delicious burger on point. Get your buns right and you'll be in a whole nother bracket. Last things last.
Stop saying that, that's not a saying.
It's a saying now. Just when you think somewhere couldn't get any better. Drink watch, Shani. I said, what? I was like, what is it? He's like a bit like a Vimto. Now, you know this is like Rogue, and you've got one of these like weird ring pulls on top. Literally, they bought these cans from the 70s. I don't know where it's from. It's got Arabic writing on it. Don't know. Dubai. This is Dubai. Dubai, UAE. Hello, mate. You've been to the Yuma'S kitchen yet?
Nah, not yet.
It's good.
I know the guy.
You know the guy, yeah?
Yeah.
Where do you work?
I work next door.
Next door.
Yeah.
Track that job in. Start working here. He's going to be super busy now. Seriously. I don't know if you heard that, by the way. It's one of those like, oh, look at this. Ah.
Ooh.
Not for kids. Hello, mate. Okay, what's this pastry called? These ones.
Kamati.
Kamatis.
Yeah. Lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, really good. How would you describe it? Like a mini donut? Like a sweet doughball donut. That's kind of what I was saying. I was just kind of just making noises and grunting at the camera, not actually knowing what it is. It's fucking tasty anyway. Right, Shani. What?
Shani.
It's a Shani. Here we go. Shani. It's probably got past no EU regulations whatsoever. Don't know what it is. Here we go. Could be like Hulk juice. Some more berry heavy version of Vimto. Excuse me, mate. Have you been here before? To Yuma'S kitchen? This one? No. You don't like it? Oh, he's rubbing his nose. Ah, you must be affiliated to someone else, yeah? Yeah, he's nodding. Ah, okay. See you, mate. At least he's loyal. He's like this. Nice, he must be around the corner. He's like, yes. Shani, love it. What a delicious little drink. It's kind of like a weird cousin of Vimto. That's how I describe it. In a absolute retro can. Now, what am I going to give Yuma'S kitchen as a score? I absolutely loved it, but I'm not going to get ahead of myself with ridiculous scores. That's one thing I'm going to price myself on in 2021 is getting better. We've done 600, 700, 800 reviews now. Now's the time to start dialing it in. The burger was sensational. Smashed, delicate, quite small, easy to eat patty like that. Brilliant. Buns, pulled it right back. I'm on bun police these days, and I mean it. You need a bun that's like a vehicle, fit for purpose, that can take the meat to your mouth without falling apart, getting floppy, wet and moist. That's why that fell down. Chips, delicious. Wings, amazing. Shani, decent. Pudding, outrageous. How's the diet going, Matt? Yeah, good, thanks, you. I'm going to give this a score today with flying colours of 8.5. I loved it. And more than the food, I love the story. A couple of youngsters got together, started putting together some decent food like this in and around their community. If you live here, come put me to the test. Come and try these guys out. I guarantee you'll enjoy it. Thanks for watching, everyone. That was another local review. What score do you reckon I gave it out of 10? 9? 9? Nearly. Good food though, yeah?
Yeah, it's amazing.
Banging. Yeah.
Is that the Flufferburger?
Not the falafel burger. Apparently the falafel burger's good, yeah?
Really good.
Yeah.
That stuff, I'm telling you, it's amazing, honestly.
We do
Yeah.
like a falafel, don't
Yeah, we do. Thanks, my friend. This is really, really special gear. Very, very special. Those wings, exceptional. Thanks for watching, everyone. And that's the review.